We've been planting crops, vegetables, and we've been taking them to the market. We really didn't earn that much of money to meet our family needs. We've been starting on this empowering project. We've seen that it really helped us by training our women. What we've seen that working together, it was really encouraging and even strengthening our community, communicating skills within each other, especially in the village. Earning money too on making dolls was really add up to the income that we always earn on monthly basis. It's a really life-saving.